Hey everyone, it's Monday morning, November 4th, my birthday, and also the day before the big US elections. Welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. This is our 250th episode of 2024. I'm your host, Endrit Çela, and let's talk about the most important events coming our way this week. Before we dive in, a quick reminder, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For personalized investment solutions and high-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. First up, Election Day is on Tuesday, and it's shaping up to be a close race. We've got Republican Donald Trump going head-to-head with Democrat Kamala Harris. Now, recent gains in Treasury yields and the dollar seem to suggest some market confidence in a Trump win, but the polls are really tight, so it could go either way. For traders, a clear result is probably the best outcome. The risk here? A contested election or long delays in the results, which could mean big market swings and plenty of uncertainty. Now, on to the Fed. The central bank is expected to announce a 25 basis point rate cut when their latest policy meeting wraps up on Thursday. This would be a follow-up to September's larger 50 basis points cut. Friday's jobs report showed slowing growth, mostly due to strikes and weather issues, which has solidified expectations for a smaller cut. But all eyes will be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments after the meeting. Investors want to know if the Fed thinks the economy can keep chugging along, or if they might start slowing the pace of cuts. Earnings season is still going strong. Even though the election and Fed might be grabbing most of the attention, we've got some notable reports to watch. Today, Palantir and Constellation Energy will kick things off. Tuesday brings us Builders First Source, Ferrari, and Supermicro Computer, which just saw a big stock drop after Ernst & Young quit as their accountant. Later in the week, we'll get reports from Qualcomm, CVS, ARM Holdings, Pinterest, DraftKings, and Cloudflare. These updates will give us a good sense of how different sectors are handling the current economic climate. Over in the UK, the Bank of England meets on Thursday, and they're widely expected to cut rates by 25 basis points. This comes on the heels of the Labour government's new budget, which included plans for more borrowing and spending. Higher borrowing costs have already pushed UK yields up, so any signs of future rate cuts will be closely watched. And finally, oil prices. We're likely in for another choppy week here. Prices have been bouncing around as geopolitical risks offset some of the concerns about rising supply and lower demand. On Friday, oil jumped with reports that Iran might retaliate against Israel, adding to the broader Middle Eastern tensions. Also, there's speculation that OPEC Plus might delay its planned production increase in December, especially if demand remains weak. So, oil traders will be paying close attention to any updates on this. And that's your quick look at the week ahead. We've got the election, the Fed, and plenty of market movers to keep an eye on. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Çela, and I'll catch you tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Have a great day, everyone.